So a couple of weeks ago I saw a video from Marco where he talked about why he loves being a software engineer. And this got me thinking, why have I chosen the tech field out of all the possible career paths I could have taken? And I actually came up with some interesting points I wanted to share with you, bro. And look, being a software engineer isn't all sunshine and rainbows like you may see here on YouTube. It's actually far from it. For example, today I was stuck on a bug for more than 3 hours and it was super frustrating because sometimes you just don't know what is going wrong and you need to dig deep in the code. But eventually I got the bug solved, and once I opened the PR for it, it felt so good, man. So that said, in my opinion, the pros heavily outweigh the cons. Now, I've always loved building and creating stuff in general. That's one of the biggest reasons I was so addicted to gaming. All I wanted to do was build up my character in GTA or create cool buildings in Minecraft. But at the time I didn't know any other ways I could fulfill that need. But once I found coding, I realized that it's a tool that I can use to fill that void instead of video games. And look, I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm super passionate about Python or TypeScript. And I sure as hell don't wake up in the morning and think to myself that I can't wait to write some CSS. But I'm passionate of the things that these tools allow me to do. And that's also the reason I started this YouTube channel. Because kinda like coding, I can create stuff out of thin air and only have my imagination as the limit. So if you're anything like me, try to seek things that make you feel like you're building towards something bigger. Now honestly, I would be lying to you if I said that money wasn't a part of it. Now as you may know, I'm still in university and working full time as a full stack engineer. And I haven't even graduated with a bachelor's degree yet, let alone with a master's degree. And this made me take a step back and think to myself, what other career path would allow me to make as much or more money at this point in my life? And you know, things like being a doctor or lawyer popped up into my head, but those require degrees by law. Which is obviously a good thing because you don't want some random guy from the street giving you surgery, but you get what I mean. I literally couldn't come up with any other career paths that would have me in this position at my age. Also, having the possibility of working remote is super nice. On most days I go to the office, but just having that possibility of staying home and working remote just gives you that extra bit of freedom. Now if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.